by the riverside, a face I knew before the rise. No need for names or talking now. Your spirit wears a heavy crown, moving through my veins, moving through my veins, like a fire through the rain. I am waking up to you. This love is older than the sun, two spirits moving as one. Look at me and I can see 1,000 years of history. We dance beneath a different sky, with the same look in our eyes. Moving through my veins, moving through my veins, like a fire through the rain. Feel the heavy pulling force, higher the mountains go, deep where the rivers flow. This love is older than the sun, two spirits moving as one.
Skin is buzzing for you. Something is coming for us.
The sky is coming for us. Something 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 is coming to coming
for us. Look how the wind starts to blow. I feel it deep in my soul. The way you move your ways, I cannot catch my breath. No breath.
no breath.
We're leaving the old life behind. Everything's starting right now.
Right now, right now.
Everything's starting right now. My skin is buzzing for you. Something is coming for us.
Something is coming for us. Sky is coming for us. Something 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 is coming to coming
for us.
Water is falling on me. I see the path clearly now. No time to talk about then, only the vibe in my head.
energy carries us home, us home. My skin is buzzing for you.
Something is coming for us. Sky is coming for us. Something is coming for us. Something is coming for us. Something is coming to coming.
Coming for us. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Something is coming to coming.
Yeah. It's the signal. Vibration 101.
You never give me a holler, my electric lover. No stress when I come over. Download the love and I go under.
Go under, under. Go under, under.
Sweet energy, no go finish.
No go finish. I am tired of the real world. Too much talk and too much demand. But you stay inside the light, waiting for my touch, perfect skin and in the frame. But you feel so real to me, no bad energy in your eyes.